tells a story about a king named King Nebuchadnezzar. He was a king of Babylon. He reigned 600 years before the birth of Christ. His empire was very big, and it was very great indeed. His royal court was filled with millions of people of different languages and customs. He conquered different lands, different places, brought them back to Babylon, and made them his slaves and his servants. One of the lands that he conquered was Israel. He got like a lot of healthy and strong people. 4 of the strong people were named Daniel and his 3 friends. When they got back to Babylon, the king changed their names. Daniel's name was Belshazzar, and the king changed his friend's name to Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
What you got?
He was very impressed with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, so he moved them to higher rankings and positions. People got very jealous. So these 2 very jealous official men, they went to the king because they knew that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego only worshiped the one true God. And wouldn't worship the king. So they made up a scheme. They talked in the king to make him a statue. The king was so happy of himself. He said the statue will be 90 feet tall and 9 feet wide, made with gold. So he made a new law. If you see the statue, then you have to bow down and worship it. Once there was a party, so once it was complete, they made like a little party and invited everybody to it, all the people of Babylon. They invited everybody to that one place where the statue is. So at the statue, the herald said, when the music starts, everybody has to bow down and worship this statue. And so it began. The music started playing. Everybody bowed down and worshiped the statue. But 3 men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The 2 jealous officials had their chance. They ran to the king and said, King, look, those Jews who you put in high rankings and high positions disobeyed you. They didn't worship it. They didn't bow down and it.
Come on.
The king sent for the Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. When Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego got to the king asked, "Did you really disobey me? Did you not worship the statue that I set up?" They said it is true. So the king gave him another chance. He said, "I'll give you a second chance to go bow down and worship my image.
Come on.
Or no God will save you from my power." And they said, "You have the power to throw us in the burning, fiery furnace. But our God has the power to save us. Even if he doesn't, we still would never worship your statue."
Come on.
The king got so furious. He told his guards to turn the fire 7 times hotter than it usually is. It was so hot that the guards, when they got close to it, they passed out. So they threw him into the fire. The king looked into the fire. And he said, "I see Shadrach. I see Meshach. I I see Abednego.
Yes.
But I see a fourth man.
Yes.
Come on.
It was Jesus.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Jesus came down,
Yes.
saved Shadrach, Meshach, and
Yes.
Abednego.
Yes.
The king was so surprised. He told them to come out. He looked at them. Their clothes wasn't burnt.
Yes.
They didn't smell like smoke.
Yes.
Their flesh wasn't burnt.
Yes.
And the king made a new law.
Yes.
If you said anything
Anything.
wrong about the true God,
My God.
then you will be punished.
Mm-hmm.
Moral.
Come on.
And the moral, and the thing that I'm trying to tell, the lesson, the moral that I'm trying to tell y'all is that always worship the true God.
Amen.
Don't worship no other king or nothing. Worship the true God that we have today.
Amen.